In the state New South Wales alone, over 40 to 50,000 have come forward to receive their jab daily. This projection in the COVID-19 vaccination rates has given hope to many residents for a brighter future. COVID-19 cases in New South Wales continue to rise, reaching over 1,000 in a 24-hour period. Hundreds of residents remain in treatment in hospitals, with some battling in the intensive care unit. This has prompted Australia's COVID-19 vaccine national rollout strategy, where a mass number of vaccinations have become available for the public. As of 26th of August, a total of over 18 million Australians have received at least their first dose, with almost 6.5 million of those from New South Wales. With this projection of vaccination rates, New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian announced some easing to the current lockdown restrictions. From the 13th of September, those vaccinated in local government areas of concern will be given an allowance of extra hours spent recreationally outside. Meanwhile, other parts of Greater Sydney will be allowed to gather outside in groups of 5. New South Wales' goal by the end of October is for 70% of the state to be vaccinated, which is looking realistic to the public, more so once the Moderna vaccination shipments come in. Based on the high rates of the Australian vaccine rollout, some of the Australian airlines are preparing for the state and some international borders to open by December, depending on the government decisions in the coming months. Since the rollout of vaccinations in Australia, this has given hope to many. Hope in being able to get out of this lockdown sooner, be reunited with loved ones, and finally be able to overcome this pandemic that has affected many lives. From Sydney, Australia, this is Armielyn Martin, Eagle News. We live in interesting times.